So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to give you my first impression on the activated charcoal refining mask. So 5 masks of these cost about 35 euros. And I'm not a fan of the ingredient list since most of them are so stripping, but since it has hyaluronic acid I would give it a try. So this mask gets activated with water, and I have to say that it smells horrible for me, not freshly scented at all. So I used the whole pack with 30 milliliters of water and I mixed it. I will apply quite a thick layer and leave it on for about 10 minutes. I avoided my under eye and lips area. Please excuse my dark circles. So this is how you take off the mask. And I have to admit that my face looks so fresh afterwards and my pores were absolutely smaller. After exactly half an hour I started noticing dry patches and my face felt a lot drier. I will personally not be repurposing it. So thank you for watching.